5:15 a.m. Snow laying all around. A college cycles home from his night shift underground. Past the silent pub, primary school, working men's club. On the road from the pit head, the churchyard packed with mining day. Then beneath the bridge it comes to a giant car, a shroud of snow upon the roof, a Mark 10 Jaguar. He thought the man was fast asleep, silent, still and deep, both dead and cold, a shot through with bullet holes. The one-armed bandit man came north to fill his boots, came up from Cockney land, E-type Jags and flashy suits. Put your money in, pull the levers, watch them spin. Cash cows in all the pubs, what he preferred, the new nightclubs. 1967, bandit men in birdcage heaven, a Dolce Vita 69, all new to people of the time. Who knows who did what? Somebody made a call, they said his hands were in the pot, that he'd been skimming halls. He picks up the